Make a U-turn. In 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Okay, well, let's see what we're doing for today. I am deliberately avoiding working on my grill so I can get some forward momentum on a couple of hours here and so forth. I bought seatbelts. These are the same seatbelts that are fitted in MGB GTs. Let's see, MGB GT, MG Midgets, MG Roadsters. I also know that these were similar or the same as the Triumph TR7. I used to own one. Comes with everything you see here, plus the mount kit, plus, where's the receiver? The box? No, it's around here somewhere. Oh. Shit, where did I put that thing? There it is. This is what I'm working on. Specifically the bolt, one of these, that fits one of these, that goes through this and hangs on to the chassis. And what I've been doing is drilling a hole using drill bits and then my all bit. And then after the hole is big enough, I welded in the nut, as you can see here. God damn, I'm still huffing and puffing from that illness. So this is not drilled and tapped. This is drilled and the nut is welded in there. I'll put pictures in there so you can see my progress, but it's welded, and some of the welds, uglier ones, broken down with my my flapper. So I'll let the paint dry. In the meantime, what I'm going to do, and again, I don't have a whole long weekend to work on my grill, so I'm going to do a few things. I'll do the other side, and then I'll start coating the interior bits, the interior part of the frame, with sound deadening. Not that thick stuff, but the Amazon blue stuff. You'll see it come on. The body will sit on the frame on the outside. On the inside, from this seam that way and down, I think is what I'm going to be doing. I did the same thing with my Roadster, and I just want to verify a few things before I coat this section with that sound deadener, so that I don't leave too much of a gap and something messes up the cork seals and blah blah blah. I don't want to do that. I suspect I had an issue with that I had to solve the hard way with the Roadster, but who knows. Again, that's there. It's nice and black. You won't be able to see it. In the meantime, I'm getting a better look at the frame. The frame is in pretty goddamn good condition. I see evidence of a repair here. It wasn't a great repair, but that's okay. I'm going to do some welding on that. Let me show you. Some welding there, just for strength. But having tapped on it and fiddled with it and messed with it, it's a good weld. It's structural. Fuck it, I'm not going to do it. It's going to get covered up with sound deadening stuff anyway, so you're not going to even see it. Anybody who knows these cars will know that by adding stuff to here and so forth, I'll have to shorten the floorboards. That's fine. I've got a belt sander and I'll do that. That's not going to be tough. I think I did the same thing on my Roadster, like I say. I've looked over here on this part of the cross member for the identifying number that would go with a frame. I've yet to see one. Excuse me. I've yet to see one, so the body number on my car, I would guess, would correspond with the body on this chassis, the body number, but the body number on the chassis is not evident. And that's it. So that's it for now. I'm going to move things around a little bit, get to the other corner, do what I need to do, and then maybe eat dinner. I'm getting hungry. And I should have mentioned, I didn't forget to, I just remembered now, but the back part of this, it's going to be mounted like this, right? I mounted something like this. Of course, I've got to take into account where the partial shelf assembly thing goes, but it'll be something like this, or like this, or like this, or this, or whatever is apropos. But I'll put a nice big thick doubler in the hole behind all of this, so it's got lots to grab onto. And then I may even do a bolt through this way. Never mind, that was a dumb idea. I'm gonna say, and then one down this way to have a couple of points of mount, but I don't know how. I suspect this is, well, you know what I could do? I'm thinking of doing an L bracket on the inside behind the wall, welded, and then drilled through. So it's got both an anchor point to this, which is stout, and of course its intended mount point. I haven't figured it out yet, but you know, we'll get there at some point. I'm more about the chassis. That's done. I may have some more work to do on the inside, specifically here, and on the other side, but I don't remember how the bar that crosses from side to side for the gas pedal, etc., how that goes. I'll need to look at my Roadster for review, I guess. But so in each of the triangles, I've got that thick ass stuff. Okay, it isn't glued on to the back of the triangles because they unscrew, right? I do have them glued on to basically this edge, and like I did with the other stuff, I burned out the holes to go over into a Ford XS2, those screw holes, right? And then I fastened it on the edges onto the frame itself. So if this gets removed, it doesn't take anything with it, basically, for whatever reason. So that's both sides, there and there. And then of course I've done the other stuff. I haven't done anything on the back because that's where a floorboard will be. I'll cover that later on with this stuff. And the same thing with the front, because of course toe boards and so forth go there. So that's it. I've got, what, maybe 5 hours of work in this. It was easy work. You know, audiobooks and Gatorade work. And so that's that. I'm not sure what I want to do next. I'm still feeling kind of shaky and crappy from whatever had a hold of me, but I'm a hell of a lot better than what I was before. So something easy. I've got to dig out the mounting holes in here for the top bows. I'm not sure where they go. And I didn't take the time to review and or look at any holes before I started putting this stuff in. So I need to think about that. What's the best way to accomplish what I want to do? Because I want to put the headliner in here sometime soon. If nothing more than to get rid of the boxes of the stuff that goes with it. So that's it for now.